And I started to realize something. I was capable. We all are capable. We all are capable of anything we try and set our minds out to do. We do have all the tools. So you can think that we need to get this certification or that certification, or I need to read one more book, I need to research one more thing before I get up on stage and talk. If you actually just quiet down up here, you will realize you have the best tools. You all within you have the best tools, the best knowledge for yourselves from the experiences that you have had in life. So choose to use that. Choose to find the power in the journey of your life to let that propel you to the next place.